One of the greatest things about the Bulletin Digest website is that all of our articles are categorized and indicated with word lengths. This way you can find articles that fit just the size space that you have to work with. To find articles for your certain space that you're trying to fill, you can click on your resources and notice that each article has a word count listed at the beginning of the article. If you were to click on this particular article, you would notice that it has 132 words, which is the exact word count. But there are also things called tags at the bottom of the post, and it will be categorized in a category of 100 to 199 words. And if you were looking for an article between these sizes, you could click on this tag, and then you would have a listing of articles only in that size category. Choosing articles of a certain size is very easy using this method.